Okay, a little bonus video. I'm gonna show you how, at least how I do it, how I stick the card onto a common or a land card in this particular case. If you want to make the bond permanent, and from the looks of it, these do look like they're lined up properly. It is a little harder to tell through a viewfinder. I just square them up this way to tell. And how we're gonna do it is make sure my surface is dry, so I don't like risk bending the corner. I'll take an X-Acto knife, try to find the gap. Careful with knives, kids. There you go. Find the gap to separate the sticker from the backing. I'll peel a corner away and fold it. Then I'll line the card up. This is how I do it, without any like measuring device and whatnot. So we'll line it up. I think the bottom might be a bit longer because it's peeking out just a smidge. Maybe not, maybe not. So do my best to line it up. Then once it's lined up that way, double check. What I do like about the hollow paper is, or the hollow stickers is, they're not super fragile. So if you make a mistake, you can still peel it off and then realign everything. Of course, try not to bend the actual thing, but like I'll demonstrate here. It's still fine. So again, I'll try to line everything up as best I can. Hopefully that's perfect. And then since the corner is already stuck, we're just gonna take the backing away slowly from that little corner. And hopefully everything just lines itself well. Make sure there's no air bubbles. As you can see, it's just a sticker. And for the most part, it's not going to damage the card underneath, though I did see that it might take some of the black border ink away from the original card. But hey, if you're doing it to a common you don't care about, or a basic land that you have too much of, then it should be perfectly fine. Then that looks great. That actually looks super good. And then flatten it out. Make sure there's no air bubbles. And of course, try not to scratch the surface, because that is still a thing that'll happen. Though these are essentially water resistant, not quite waterproof, I'd say. Well, of course the card it's not waterproof, but this is legitimate like metal foil. So there you go. That's how you do it. And you can still choose to perfect fit the damn thing. And it will be a lot thinner since there's literally a missing layer of paper to thin it all out. So there you go. That's how you make foil Magic the Gathering commons without having to destroy an actual foil card. Or rather, that's how you make MTG foil proxies without having to sacrifice a real foil card, be it common or whatever, or a bulk rare. And yeah, thanks for checking out the video, guys. I hope this helps, and we'll see you next time. Bye!